Look at silly Sparkle today. What is Sparkle getting into?
And I have a green M&M.
You can eat it. First thing in the morning, why not, right? Silly Sparkle, it got into our M&Ms.
Even do these. I know how to do all these rabbits.
Good job.
This one, what's this?
What is that?
Oh, a worm.
A worm.
What's this? A pizza. What's this?
Just a bug. I don't know what that is. Like a stink bug or something.
Ew, peely. I don't like stink bugs. They're yucky, grossy.
Hey guys, and welcome back. Sydney and I are about to head to go grab our groceries right now. I did an online order, just like a small pickup order. So we are gonna go do that. And we are doing some like Christmas preschool activities today. Just pretty much trying to focus on some activities for Sydney to do. We did just play outside with a friend for a little bit. But I admittedly have been slacking on her like preschool structure routine.
And then I growled at her.
Yeah, we had to end our playtime a little bit soon, but that's okay. We are gonna go get groceries now and then head home, or head right back home and finish up doing some preschool activities. And we still have to build the snowman that Sparkle wants us to make. And yeah, so that's what we are doing today. I really didn't film yesterday because I was started to film, but then I didn't have anything to film. I basically spent all day going to 3 different post offices and shipping places. So that's what I pretty much spent all day yesterday doing, is just driving to different post offices and running errands like that. Nothing super exciting. And then I'm selling some stuff online of my house. Not of my house, but I'm selling some stuff online too. And then just, you know, met up with someone and whatnot. Just things like that, you know. I couldn't really film.
No.
You do? So yeah, again, I didn't need a whole lot from the grocery store since I did like my Sam's Club order and whatnot and kind of bulked up on a lot of stuff. The only thing I did need was produce, so I grabbed a big bag of oranges. These are always amazing to have on hand too because, I mean, they last for a very long time. And then I grabbed some blueberries this week, milk, just standard milk, bread I just put away, and then what did I get? Some kiwis, a pepper, some Crescent rolls. I plan on making, I've pretty much made this every year this time of year. It's like a Crescent Mediterranean roll thing. It's so yummy. So I needed some Crescent rolls, some peppers, I needed dill, and then some Mediterranean feta. You can use regular feta, but if they have this in stock, I try to grab it for this recipe. And it's just a really easy, yummy dish. Oh, and then I already put away my frozen pizza. I always need a frozen pizza in my freezer at all times. So despite the mess that's happening in the background, we'll just try to ignore it. What are we gonna do, Sydney? We're gonna build a snowman. Sparkle says, do you wanna build a snowman?
Yeah.
I love it, I'm so excited.
I do want to build.
Okay, how are we gonna get the glue stick without touching her?
Just with a hand.
Oh, is that easy? Okay. Do you want to do it? Or do you want Mama to do it?
Why don't you do it?
Okay. I did it. Ah, we did it. Okay.
It's cold outside, it tingles in my heart. that clears my mind. I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love.
Now which part goes next? What do you see here? What's this? Is that the circle you're touching? Yeah, so that part goes next. Put glue on one side.
So one here? Is it his body?
It's his body. It goes in the middle of him, right below his head, right here.
It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I want to sing about the Christmas ornaments.
There, you made a snowman.
Is it Frosty Snowman?
It is Frosty the Snowman. Good job, babe. Sydney says we need to hang up her snowman next to her Christmas tree.
Right here.
Aww, okay. You hold your snowman.
Okay.
I'll give you some tape. This is what I'll do. Mama's gonna get you some tape and then you can hang the snowman with it, okay? Good job. Happy? Sydney's. Aw. I love it. Give me a high five. Yeah, girl. Up high. To the side. To the other side. Down low. Too slow.
Again.
Up high. To the side. To the other side. Down low. Oh, you got me. It's been a little while since I've printed some preschool activities for Sydney to do, so I went online and just Googled and went on totschooling.net. abcdlearning.com also has amazing resources, especially like the Christmas time. So I went on and printed some easy activities that I could set Sydney up with to do while I was doing some housework and getting things done, and then just printed them off. I do need to go grab some more ink, so I wasn't able to get the colors really, and then we will have this packet for free, so I can print and do this for the rest of the month. Anyway, the first activity we were doing was this Christmas tree cutout. So I had her color it however she wanted, and then I cut it out, and it's all by numbers or size, and it's basically like a little puzzle, and had her put this together.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the...
When Sydney does color by numbers, she only wants to color the actual number of the color. She doesn't want to color like in. You're so cute. It's a penguin.
What?
It's a penguin you're coloring. Did you realize that? Mama needs to go buy new ink.
I want new penguin.
Oh, my colors are messed up.
Can I do that one now?
Yeah. We're doing all the activities today since we've been slacking on preschool.
What's this, Mom?
This is, you have to count how many pictures are in the square, and then you circle the right number. So how many snowmen are there?
I just want to do the snowflakes first.
Oh, you want to do snowflakes. How many snowflakes? Count them.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, so which one's the number 4 in that square? Good job. So circle the number 4. And that's what you do for all of them. So how many mugs of hot cocoa?
1, 2.
Okay, where's the number 2? Good job. So circle the number 2. I slept terribly last night. I was gonna do my makeup, but then we decided to play outside in the middle of me getting ready anyway. So no makeup today, but I did straighten my hair at the very least. So I feel like I have such bad dark circles right now on my skin because I did not sleep well last night. I was tossing and turning, and then I feel like right as soon as I started to fall asleep, the fire alarm started chirping upstairs, and it was one of those where I didn't know if I actually heard it, and because it woke me up, and I was like, did I just hear something, or was that in my dream? And then it started chirping again, and then I thought I hit the reset button because I was like, oh, I'll deal with that in the morning, I'll put a new battery in. And then the reset button lasted 3 minutes, and then it started chirping again, whereas my one downstairs, if you push the reset, it stops chirping for like 7 hours. Anywho, so in the middle of the night, I had to come try to find a 9-volt battery to get it changed. So otherwise I wouldn't have been able to sleep because I, you know, whatever, needed it fixed. So I was up in the middle of the night doing that. And then I had another hard time falling asleep after that. So I'm just a little bit tired. It is what it is. But yeah, today's a beautiful day. Actually, it's like, it was super sunny. Well, the sun goes down early, but it was super sunny. The ice is melting off the roof. It's like 44 degrees. I'm saying it's such a nice day and it's 44 degrees. But you know what I mean? If the sun is shining, it makes me so much happier to have a nice bright house. I am, you know, changing all my lights in my house so that I have nice bright daylight, but obviously it's not the same as having sunlight in your home. But anyway, there's that. And then I think I'm either gonna make the Crescent thing tonight, or I don't know, I have fennel and I've been wanting to make a recipe with that for a little while, but the recipe that I was gonna make, I accidentally threw my bay leaves out, so I don't really know what I can do, but I might hop on Pinterest and see what I can do for recipes, and if I don't make anything with the fennel, then I will make the crescent roll. That sounds so yummy tonight. It just sounds so good. So Sydney is busy organizing her books, putting them from one bin to the next bin. I have things that are coming in for Sydney's big girl bedroom, which I can't wait. I've ordered a few things off of Etsy, and of course, like Etsy, you know, usually a lot of the stuff is handmade and they take a little bit to ship. So I just can't wait to see some of the things. I'm not gonna even like worry about Sydney's room until after the holidays, after Christmas. I think January, February, we will tackle Sydney's room as far as like, woo, she just jumped on me, as far as that goes. But I'm really excited to start getting some things in and ordered and whatnot. What do you think? Are you excited for your,
Yeah.
I love you.
Mom, can you give me a book? Mom, can you give me a book?
What book do you want?
The bunny book.
Okay. What'd you do with all the other books?
I put them in the other bin.
You moved them from one bin to a different bin? Look at this hair.
I put them in the other bin because I put them in the other bin because they were new books.
Oh, okay. We are gonna do another little like Christmassy craft. We are gonna do the paper chains, you know, like the construction paper chains. I've seen a lot of people do countdowns with them. We're not gonna do that. We're probably just gonna make them and like throw them as decorations, throw them in her playroom or wherever she wants. Well, you found felt, but we need green and red. Do you wanna do green and red for Christmas colors? Yeah, okay, so we'll do green and red construction paper, and then we're gonna make the little loops and connect them to make like, you know, the little like paper garlands. I thought that would be like a fun little activity. We did a bunch of a few printables this morning, which, you know, I think I need to step up the challenge and do the more challenging ones now because she's so used to, since we've been doing her preschool activities, or had been doing her preschool activities, sorry the lighting. She's so used to them and she's like, oh, okay, I know my numbers. I'm just gonna quickly count and circle. So I need to make it a little more challenging for her these days, which is not a bad thing. But I just figured, ooh, there we go, there's the light. I figured we would do something festive and fun and try to keep everything, you know, like, I don't know, I remember these things as a kid and I used to go to daycare. You found green? Okay, go find me red. At my daycare, we used to make like homemade ornaments that I'm pretty sure my mom still has of mine and my brother's, and we would paint them and do arts and crafts, and I remember that to this day. So I want Sydney to remember the traditions that we do, and, you know, doing arts and crafts, especially where, you know, we're mostly home these days. And this year was going to be the year that I wanted to do so much with her. I wanted to go on the Polar Express and go to, you know what I mean? And that's okay. We're just gonna make the best of it anyway, which is fine. That's why we did the little handprint paper tree, and I'm so glad Sparkle wanted her to make the snowman. Sydney had fun doing that. So we're making the best of it, and I figured little arts and crafts at home would be so fun.
It's me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas.
This is how big it is. Wow. Is that so big? What do you think? Oh, yes.
I don't need any presents.
Whoa. So Sydney and I finished up the paper train, and she hasn't decided where we're gonna hang it, so that's fine. I'll let her decide. She's gonna watch a movie for a little bit, and I'm gonna get started on dinner. So I have decided I'm just gonna make the crescent roll. I'm really craving it. So I've got some ingredients here. I am gonna try to find the recipe and link it down below. I did find it on Pinterest like years ago, and I just kind of remember what's in it and just make it, wing it. So if I can find the recipe though, I will link it down below. It's just basically a Mediterranean crescent roll. I'm sure you've seen it if you've been following for a hot second. So I have mayo, feta cheese, the fresh dill, I have some olives, artichokes, peppers, and then I'm gonna do the crescent dough, and I can't really remember if that's it or not, but that's all I'm using today.
With you, so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby with you. Woo-hoo. Making plans, what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars.
I have feta, olives, dill, artichoke heart, peppers, mayo. Is that all that's in there right now? I'm gonna put some mozzarella cheese in there, and then I have to do some spinach, which I totally forgot to thaw. It is thawing currently. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna attempt to make some sort of Christmas tree out of this. I usually make a wreath, which is very easy. But I'm gonna try to make, like, I don't know, a Christmas tree.
And just for you, let's take a walk, and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby with you. I don't need any presents.
Actually,
Oops. All right, Sydney and I are going to watch, I just put the Santa Claus 3 on, so we are going to snuggle and watch a movie. Mommy just needs to get into her Christmas pajamas because little Miss is in hers, huh?
Are you in your Christmas
No, I need to at some point. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's day in the life. We did, you know, a little bit more like arts and crafts, kind of like geared towards little bugger here. We did eat our dinner, and I FaceTimed my mom while it was coming out of the oven, and the whole time we were eating, so that's why I didn't film. But it was very yummy, and now I'm stuffed and ready for bed. All right, you ready to watch this movie? The Santa Claus 3. Okay, bye guys.